see how that be or my women penny for one country. So one person you to be a Juma or one country. Moon be a Juma, my moon be a Juma, be a my you to be our assy. You to now cause I pay ways are on my first work ADD. See how most here.
This fast on Ghana ASEM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So guys, Okada, mama, bro. Okada riders have been arrested today, bro. President MAHAMA promised them job. President MAHAMA promised them to legalize Okada riding in this country. What happened? Okada, bro, they are crying. Today, MTTU or Ghana police was arresting motorbikes and courier service bikes. Guys, if you work for Yango, if you work for Bolt, if you work for Glovo, if you work for whatever, they want you to register and have a license. And the whole issue is that they did not inform them about it. They just started arresting them.
See how that be or my women penny for one country. So one person you to be a Juma or one country. Moon be a Juma, my moon be a Juma, be a my you to be our assy. You to now cause I pay ways are on my first work ADD. See how most here at the young quiet courier lances. I brought the panel one in the driving license that was not going courier lances. We need problem with that too. You need problem with that. And come more the idea about Muana Suntre, Moon country, Mumma time, near Fanquoya Sadi, you know. They move buy ya. See how much I said, she, or what you are 600 cities for penalty. We are also where courier lances for 10,000. I say, who are always a renew. Are they a dear part of you to the IAMO? A dear part of you to the IAMO. Moon be a Jumama, you to not per quite be so. Or money be my almost how call man as well. Most say a bob crono. Most say a boy you to no crono. Hey, Ghana penny for Monsha among ye be found. Monsha the one ye be found. They say, much is moto. 600 Ghana cities. Easy. A deal count out who called my son a wunya.
Good morning. Also, I don't know any because I don't know company and some more offer Yangu or more. I think say few from more. Yes. Why didn't phone wash it? Everything is intact. Mamoto, I have my license.
So let's see exactly what he is saying. You see, now
my partner, FH Express, Yangu, they do
okay, so it means the ODN
legally I have my license.
Okay, it means that they will rescue you, they will let you go.
Almost the cab is almost sad now. This is my motor boxer.
So I think that ODN is perfect.
Everything is perfect.
Yes, so don't worry. It's a matter of taking time. Everything is perfect. They will let you go.
See, I go cocoa ball. Someone, I hold someone food. Why Ghana? Why?
Anyhow, so today they arrested more than 3,000 motorbikes in Accra. Guys, the drivers are crying. The drivers are screaming. You did not give us job. You did not give the Ghanaian youth job. We are innovative enough to register with Bolt, to register with Yango. Why are you arresting us? We do not understand. Then someone within the group advised them, let's go and meet the president of 5K or 5,000 men, 5,000 motorbike men on the streets. Then they ushered themselves to YE to say, Chairman.
Them, but they are not doing anything about it. So please, we are pleading with you. I call my boss, Mohamed Tidani. I call Mohamed Tidani. He's on his way coming here. So we work on it. Yes.
This you came, you've not created any job for us. You have not given us the fuel you promised. Now MTTU has arrested us and we do not know the crime we've committed. You please have to intervene. Bro, now Malik Basintale, you need to act because the job you promised these people, you have not delivered it. So why are you arresting us? Now, according to one of the Okada riders or courier service riders, guys, have a listen to appreciate yourself.
See how that view. O ma we mpanyifo o mon kan kire so o mon pese youth no be ya adwuma o mon kan kire mun bi adwuma ma mun bi adwuma bia ma youth ni bia wa ase youth na ankasa pewe sa o mefa so adidi see how mo se chichie adan ya yankoye courier license abra di panu won the driving license that was an courier license we need problem come with that too. You need problem with that. And come the idea about Muana son tre, Mun can tre, my time, near Fancoya Sadi, you know. They move buy ya. See how much I said, she, or what you are 600 cities for penalty. We are also where courier licenses for 10,000. I say, who are always out renew. Are they a dear part of you to the IAMO? A dear part of you to the IAMO. Moon be a mamma, you to not per quite be so. Omode bema omon sa kwa ma no so a mo se bo obokro no mo se bo youth no kro no hey Ghana penifo mo hwe na mo nya bibi fa ho mo hwe na mo nya bibi fa ho te se o ma chi moto 600 Ghana cedis easy e dey o ka onya adwuma o kwa adwuma se na onya.
Good morning. Also, I don't know any because I don't know company na some moya offer ya yangu or more I think say few from more hon. Why didn't phone wash it?
Everything is intact.
Everything is intact. My motor. I have my license.
So let's see exactly what he is saying. You see, now
my partner, FH Express.
All right.
Young they do Oyalifa.
Okay, so it means the old Indian.
Legally, I have my license.
Okay, it's the old Indian. It means that they will rescue you. They will let you go.
Almost the cab is almost sad now. This is my motor boxer.
So I think that old Indian are perfect.
Everything is perfect.
Yes, so don't worry. It's a matter of taking time. Everything is perfect. They will let you go.
Okay. See, I go cocoa board. Someone, I hold someone food. Why Ghana? Why?
Them, but they are not doing anything about it. So please, we are pleading with you. I call my boss, Mohammed Tidani. I call Mohammed Tidani. He's on his way coming here.